Hi, welcome back to Mike Makes It. I've got a Land Rover Defender and quite often I get electrical problems, so I'm in there with the DVM. Problem I've had with the negative lead that comes with it, it's very difficult to get a good ground, even with a crock clip on the end of this cable there. Often that comes detached, or you've got to find a good bare metal surface to hook into. So all I've done, I've got an old cigarette lighter lead here. I've chopped the end off it, as you can see, added 3 or 4 meters of cable, any colour you like, it doesn't matter, and I've put a banana plug in that matches up with the DVM. So all I need to do is plug that into the negative side of the DVM, this into the cigarette lighter, and I've got guaranteed good earth. And 3 or 4 meters of cable I can get anywhere I like in the truck. So that's the idea of the day from Mike Makes It. Anyhow, thanks for watching.